everyone! So I just want to share a quick overview of how I created my Bitmoji Classroom and how you can do it too. So this is my Bitmoji Classroom, and the first hallmark of a Bitmoji Classroom is the Bitmoji, which is basically just a little character that is designed to look something like you. And these are super easy to create if you go to bitmoji.com. So the website here will direct you to download an app. And that app is going to be what allows you to actually create the Bitmoji character. So it'll go through all of the customization options to really fine-tune a character that fits your personality or looks like you. You can also get the plugin for Google. I'm using Google Chrome. And that will give you, up in your extensions toolbar up here, this little Bitmoji icon. And so Bitmoji can pop up if we click on this link, and it'll give us a bunch of different Bitmoji options based on my recent searches, or just popular icons. So I'm going to go back to my Bitmoji Classroom here. And let's see what Bitmoji has got for us if I search for chemistry. Great, a little Valentine's-y cartoon pops up. That's perfect. So I'm just going to drag it onto my presentation. And you can do this with Google Docs or a bunch of different other places where you might want to use Bitmoji. And look, there I am in my classroom, brewing up a little love potion. Super easy to use the actual Bitmoji. The other hallmark of a Bitmoji Classroom, though, is that you can present a lot of information by linking to outside resources. So some stuff is really simple to explain and easy to just go ahead and display right in your classroom. For example, I put here my email. I do link to it so that if students just click on it, it'll automatically set up an email addressed to me. But that's information that I can easily display. There are other things though, like netiquette guidelines, that I want to include, but I don't want to list all of them on this page because that would be a lot to talk about. So what I've done is I've linked this web article here. So just for now, I'm going to unlink it so that we can go through the process of doing that on our own. So I'll go to my article and go ahead and copy that URL. And then super simple, in the Bitmoji Classroom, I just need to click on an object. You can link it to text, but you can also link it to other objects. So if you want to use icons or signals or things like that, really easy to do. Then you'll just go to Insert, and I think my face is covering the button, but you'll just click on Link. And then paste that URL. And now whenever students put their cursor over this box or click on it, it'll pop up with this article that they can then open in a new page. So that's a really great way to link to stuff like your syllabus, other assignments that are located within your LMS, or kind of whatever you want to share with students. I've even created other Bitmoji classrooms for different weeks or topics. So for example, here is a version of that Bitmoji Classroom that I adapted for a unit I was teaching on alternative energy. And so I went ahead and linked to all the different assignments that students would need to complete throughout the week so that they could have it all in one place and get a nice week at a glance. So there's lots of different applications for the Bitmoji Classroom, and hopefully it's something that you get a chance to check out.